राइट. सो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की जर्नी मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे इट लुक्स वेरी ग्लैम, राइट, बट असली स्टोरी तो बिहाइंड द सीन्स होती है.
सी challenges देखो हर किसी को होते हैं in their own space and the ecosystem that they have. For us,
सो आप एक फाउंडर भी हैं, आप मॉम भी हैं, आप किसी की वाइफ भी हैं. सो आई एम श्योर आपका जो पूरा दिन होता होगा वो काफी लोडेड होता होगा. सो आपका एक पूरा दिन कैसा दिखता है, कैसा जाता है?
I think that is the beauty of having so many relationships like जैसे हम बात भी कर रहे थे कि
Alright, so as we discussed, out of all this hustle, हमने बात की थी आपके मेंटल वेलबींग की, राइट? सो वो आप कैसे मेंटेन करते हो? ये मेंशन कि आप कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स भी लेते हैं एंड ऑल दैट.
Yeah, 100%. जैसे supplements definitely help you, overcome and in your journey of well-being and mental well-being. उसके साथ-साथ, because you're already, there's so many things, आप constantly बीमार हो रहे हो, there are climatic changes, कभी कुछ आ रहा है, कभी कुछ आ रहा है. And when you're actually recovering and you're building your fitness or your, body, आपको इतना होम्योपैथी जो आप सॉरी तुम्हें इतनी एलोपैथी so many antibiotics really puts your energy levels down. So lately I've really focused. In fact, for my kids especially, I have really sweared by homeopathy, especially my younger one. Last year there was an incident where he during this time only he had congestion, he had it cough and cold, and it took him almost 2 months. He relapsed, so he had his antibiotics, and then he got better, and a few days again he did. So again I did a 5-day 7-day course of antibiotic, and over since then every time I used to give him like antibiotic. किसी भी time ना उसका 2 course से कम में ठीक हो ही नहीं रहा था. And and there was this one time I realized, my friends told me, yeah, Richa, you have to stop it, because one, you're really spoiling his gut. Secondly, antibiotic, he's so young, he's 2-year-old, मतलब उसको antibiotic affect करना ही बंद कर देगा. And that's when I really shifted to, and I started understanding homeopathy more and more. I used to have, because after the babies I started having a lot of migraine. I started having a lot of migraine issues, so I started homeopathy for that, and it worked wonders. I now do not have Dolo 650 anymore. Eliminated it out of my life. For my kids, I don't do antibiotics. I put only homeopathy. So I think overall, it's a good thing. But I feel that sometimes people tell me that Richa, with homeopathy, at least allopathy has a science. It has a prescriptions, and it has what are the salts available, and you can study about it. But with homeopathy, I feel that you don't know where it is coming from. So I think that one point I sometimes really think that, okay, if I'm going towards homeopathy, is it like the best thing I'm doing or not? But after understanding Sehat Up, I didn't know, honestly I didn't know कि homeopathy में भी prescription और ingredients का कुछ concept होता है. It was completely a new thing. So now I think I'm so relieved, because homeopathy is definitely working for us as a family, and I really swear by the science. But if it is backed with the research and things like that, I think there's no better solution, because the kind of viruses and the kind of health issues these days everybody is going through, you don't want so much of, and it directly affects your gut. And you see that, and anyway there's so much adulteration and so many things. You can't just kitna probiotics lete rahoge, kitna kuch karoge end of the day. So I think something more lighter on your body, if that really works well, I think there's nothing like it.
That's the reason we build Sehat Up, because what happens when you consume allopathic medicines for a long time, there are a lot of side effects, right?
Yeah, 100%.
And again, to some extent, allopathy doesn't work on your root cause.
Yeah.
And that is the core of Sehata, where we have integrated allopathy, homeopathy, and Ayurveda complete
Yeah,
together.
yeah.
Where your allopathy works on your symptomatic relief,
Yeah.
homeopathy works on your root cause, and Ayurveda takes care of your overall wellness. And that is the core concept of Sehata, and it gives you a holistic solution for any health condition.
No, that's amazing because like I was just telling कि antibiotic तो देनी ही पड़ती है, but after that one dose or your one cycle of antibiotic, because generally तीन दिन की होती है, 5 दिन की होती है, 7 दिन की होती है, but instead of taking it for 7 days or relapsing and taking it again, if we do like a 3-day or a 5-day course and complement it with homeopathy,
Correct.
I think that is the best combination. उस तरीके से I think it doesn't really affect you as much. It is
Right.
curing you, giving you immediate relief
Exactly.
also.
Exactly.
So I think with kids, because you can't wait for so long, है ना? And especially something like migraine also, आपको अगर मुझे एक होम्योपैथी चाहिए जो मुझे लगे कि मुझे जो चीज 15 मिनट या आधे घंटे 1 घंटे में ठीक हो जाए, अगर वो मुझे 2 घंटे लगाए तो आप नहीं माइग्रेन का पेन ले सकते. So I think a combination of both the things can really do wonders for us, because end of the day, medical issues, I don't think they're going to stop. Right. Every family, every person has something or the other juggling with health issues, and nowadays it's become a lifestyle. There is every third person, every second person is having some chronic health issue. So I think if it's become a lifestyle, so I think solutions should be also a way that you manage the lifestyle in a sane way.
Yeah, of course, you'll see that integrated wellness is going to be the future in healthcare.
No, 100%. In fact, Ayurvedic is also something that I really, bang on, because my husband takes Shilajit for so many years, and he's been after my life that I should also take it. And I'm definitely going to start soon. And now that you're telling me that you're going to give me a better alternative than just mixing it and having that bitter shot, I think you'll give me a better option. And I think like we were talking so much about entrepreneurship, wellness, and how I'm coping. So I constantly measure track my cholesterol cortisol levels. So I constantly track my cortisol levels. So I think something like ashwagandha I've really tried, but I think after talking to you, I feel that there are side effects also. So I think a good combination and a good partner or a healthcare that can actually give you a combined package of your overall well-being is something that is the need of the hour. So I am really convinced by it, because I definitely want to have allopathy, and I definitely want to have homeopathy, and I want to do Ayurvedic. But how do I combine it in a very strategic way? If somebody helps me out with that, I think life will be easier.
That is what Sehata is for.
I think I'm looking forward, and I'm going to be your next customer for sure.
So motherhood के बाद आपका एक पर्सनालिटी में कंप्लीट शिफ्ट होता है, आइडेंटिटी में कंप्लीट शिफ्ट होता है, राइट? लोग आपको एज ए मॉम देखने लग जाते हैं. तो आपके साथ भी आई एम श्योर ऐसा हुआ होगा. सो हाउ डिड यू मेंटेन योर इंडिविजुअलिटी एंड योर पर्सनालिटी?
I think that's a great question, and I think that it motivates you more to do what you want to do. Like with earlier, it was to build something that I wanted to build. Like I have 2 boys now, and I have so Vani, my co-founder, she has a daughter. She's a teenager now. When you have your kids, your idea of building what you're building, like especially for Deechika, with the boys and with a teenage daughter of my co-founder, for us what we're building has become more stronger. Okay, so I'll give you an example. It really hit me, like with the kind of pollution and the kind of adulteration and by the climatic conditions that is happening. For me, getting sustainable period care has become a much bigger motive of doing, because I feel that what it is globally doing, environmental changes, has become more important to me than it was before. Like for my niece, she recently had her first period. I just felt her first period was very different from mine. It was much nicer. And when you see it in your own child, your whatever, it gives you validation.
Right.
I think becoming a mom and have what you're working towards has given me more validation to whatever we are doing for both of us.
Right.
And it just makes you more stronger. I think it's a very right saying that motherhood makes you stronger. And again, saying the same thing, that it conditions you overall. So your individuality works very well. So for me, my son would be more proud to have a mother who was so independent and created something.
I'm sure.
So I think that is something I really, really look forward to. It gives me a high that I want to be somebody who's created something, or change has made a change, or creating whatever I've done. It has to matter that he's really proud of it. You know, I just feel that sitting at home and just taking care of him today, I think that would not make him more proud than what would make him proud if I've created something going out. And for him, me going out, and he's very conditioned like that. You know, I tell him that he says, there are times that he tells me, Mama, please cancel your meetings. Please, and I have to tell him that, you know, it's important. And making them understand that if you want something, and if you want a life, if you want a holiday, if you want to go to a good school, if you want to have friends, if you want to have what you're having and wear what you're wearing, everything comes in exchange of money. And you have to understand, to earn money, you need to go out. And it is not only one person's responsibility to it. It is a team. Like, you know, it's the smallest thing. And it's very important for them to understand at this age also that going out, earning money and earning a living is a life. It is a way of life.
True.
It is not an option.
True.
So I think that comes growing, and I think that is also, as motherhood, that is a big change that I've made. And I felt that, you know, going out is a very proud moment for me. Sometimes you do miss the facts, but theek hai, aap unko bolo. And even if we go, he knows that you're going to office, you're going for a meeting. If I'm sitting in the room, he knows that, you know, he's not supposed to shout and knock and disturb me because I'm having a meeting.
So my next question is related to this point only, कि एक business को build करते हुए और साथ में बच्चों को भी आपको manage करना है. तो sometimes it is like, don't you feel sometimes guilt या overwhelmed कि भाई मैं नहीं देख पा रही हूँ?
Of course आता है. It's
I see that in my family itself.
Yeah, it does. It does. It does happen. And that's a part of it, yaar. Matlab, I think then you look at a bigger picture, and that's what you find ways to be happy about it, or be, you know, guilt free about it. But हाँ, guilt होता है कई बार. And then, but then you know, you think of a bigger picture. Like for me, the bigger picture is that whatever we're building or growing and trying to create would be in the future, the kids would be happy about it. And today, these are small chances. Like you compensate it. Like for me, if during the whole week, if we are like really working and don't have time to give, so they also know that, you know, we have our days. So Friday is an ice cream day. So we don't just order and we just go out to ice cream parlor and we make sure we do that. We give them that time. So us time wo interim uninterrupted hai. Matlab then we don't keep any meetings, then we don't go out. There is nothing that we put in the middle. On Sundays or any day in the middle when they meet, we take them out. So just balancing the fact that, you know, when they have their time, then there should not be anything else. So yeah, that's how we manage our guilt. But हाँ, definitely guilt तो होता ही है.
So Deechika जो है वो, I would say it's not only a brand. It's a bold message around puberty, mensuration, body confidence, right?
100%.
But I feel अभी भी इंडिया में इन टॉपिक्स के अराउंड बात करना is still a taboo. तो
Yeah.
आपके विजन में ये कैसे आया?
See, that's the whole thing, that going out and talking about it and making sure that, we educate people, and it is a ripple effect. So if one person is knowledgeable, and, as mothers of teenage girls, every mother, like now I know more and more mothers, they tell me, Richa, now there is this time, my daughter is getting to an age, what do I do? And every mother of a teenager is lost. Be it today, be it 20 years back, be it 40 years back, they're always confused. So if you have somebody backed like us, they're available. Like they can just go to Deechika, and Instagram is something which is the first
Right.
access of information for everybody. And you look at, teenage or anything you put, if you get access to a body which is there for you to answer your questions and help you out. And that's how we talk about, because these are not questions or dilemmas which don't exist that we are addressing. They exist. And we know that there are questions rotating around everywhere, and there has to be somebody to address it, and that's where Deechika comes in place. So talking about it, making sure, so we do as many interactions, like I always tell you, I will always tell people, just tell me where can we go. We do a lot of college interactions, we do a lot of schools, we try to talk to a lot of people and interact with them and understand them. In fact, for us, our product, when it's created, there is constant R&D going on. So there are times when there is a product that we create, and then the product starts going out in the market, and then we start getting some feedbacks on it. We improvise the product. So we are very closely, knitted in terms of our customers who are coming to us, and we talk to them, we address their issues as much as we can. And the best part is that now, earlier when we started, it was more of a digital brand on a marketplace level. Now Deechika has become a huge and a very beautiful community. We have more than 50% of our orders coming from our own website.
Wow.
Which also creates a lot of loyalty, creates a community. And the best part about it, that 77% are prepaid orders, which again validates the trust that we're trying to create with the customers. If somebody is ready to pay before getting the product, that means a lot to us, because they do trust us, and whatever we're doing is something that is making sense. And all these things are only way of creating a community, talking about what we're trying to build, and giving them a solution which always, where the problem was always there. We're just addressing the solution. So I think people hearing it out from journey to just selling a product to now creating a community where people are directly talking to Deechika is a journey that we have lived, and we're building it now. So for us now, moving forward, is to just grow the community bigger and bigger, because now we know that we've created a hook, and now whatever, so it's just the time that you need to create that community who trust you.
True.
And now there is that community that we've already created, and we know that we are there, and now it is just going to grow. So for us, and the biggest thing, honestly, I have to tell you, that is the fact that a woman is making a product for women.
That's very important.
Every product that we make, that we create, is tested and born and used by us personally. Anything we're doing. So whatever we're doing and whatever we're offering, it's a complete validated product.
When I heard you talking on the Shark Tank now, so I thought कि आज से पहले किसी के माइंड में ये थॉट आया ही नहीं कि कंज्यूमर जो ये प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहा है वो और जो बना रहा है वो इट्स टोटली अ डिफरेंट जेंडर जो
Yeah.
यूज कर रहा है उस जो बना रहा है उसको पता ही नहीं है कि एक्सपीरियंस उसका कैसा होता है.
Yes.
So this thought hit me at that time जब आपको मैंने सुना शार्क टैंक पे इसके बारे में बात करते
It's
हुए.
huge, what is the sad part that जैसे मैं भी बात कर रही थी about mothers not knowing what is the right first product to give their daughters, and like we were talking about how these constant struggles are not just physical but are emotional, because they're shaping how a young woman
Right.
is takes her feeling about her body. And at that age when you're not wearing the right bra, because this is a backed by research, what I'm telling you, that sometimes how wrong menstrual product or the wrong bra or the wrong innerwear can create lifestyle issues for women. A
I'm
lot
sure.
of breast issues that you realize over your period of time. You realize because you started with the wrong product, because the body is growing, and it is not how can it not be addressed, because what a grown body is wearing, you can't give it to a growing body. There's constant change. Your body needs to अब जैसे आपने ये तो commonly सुना होगा ना कि footwear, when you have a growing foot,
Exactly.
आपको किस टाइप का फुटवेयर पहनना चाहिए, बहुत टाइट नहीं पहनना चाहिए, बहुत लूज नहीं पहनना, बहुत नैरो नहीं, क्योंकि आपका पैर शेप ले लेता है. It changes your walking style, or it changes this. It's there. This is a very common thing.
Example, right?
It makes sense, and a lot of people have grown listening to this. It's exactly the same thing. अगर आप सही, so the kind of product that we've created is stretchable in a way, it is so soft, it gives support. So अगर आप एक adult lounge bra देखोगे या bralette देखोगे और एक beginner देखोगे, their armhole is much deeper for adult women. They have a very short length of the and the neck and the straps आपको broad चाहिए, आपको पीछे से back support ज़्यादा चाहिए, because it is shaping your body.
So that's lot of understanding.
It's a lot of technicality in understanding a growing body. We are not talking about an fully grown adult. We're talking about somebody who's getting into a childhood to a womanhood. The transition is very, very sensitive, and we all know about this. The sad part is that we all know about it,
but nobody realized, no?
Yeah. What are we really doing about it? What is the execution side of helping that transition?
That's why we started this initiative, Baat to Karni Padegi, because nobody talks about it.
Yeah.
Right?
That's true.
In fact, I have been following you on Instagram and LinkedIn for quite some time. And I have hardly seen anyone so bold and open talking about bras when it comes to talking about bras.
Yeah, because somebody has to talk about it, and I feel that when I talk about bras, and honestly, what else do you want me to talk about? Like somebody like me who is blood, sweat, everything is into bras and innerwear. I can't talk about stock market, right? So yeah, so for me, but the thing is that anything I talk about, and if it is making, every time I go out, I talk to people, I tell them, I give them as much as I have to offer. If there is even a smallest change in their lives, it really motivates me, because I feel that these are issues that are existing in a society. If it is addressed, and if even there is one person who does the right thing, if there is even one mother, or if there is even one, so for example, like a lot of people who have heavier breast size, for them, traditionally it's known that you do not wear any innerwear and you sleep loose, but it is not the best option for somebody with a heavier bust. So the same beginner bra that you're giving to your child, you just offer, they can just sleep in that, because it is giving the same support system. So we have so many customers who are actually buying those. So unless I don't talk about it, and people don't hear it and understand it, I can't make a difference. and even a small difference or any small change, and people, get back to me. I get so many DMs from women and girls telling me that, we did use your product and this is what happened. This is the change that I loved it. This is what I do, especially with our, padded camisoles. You don't need to wear a bra completely, and it just gives all the support to you. The smallest things that every girl is, having an issue at home, being, braless, they have to wear a bra, they can't be comfortable. Things like that at home also you can be comfortable. So we also make videos like this where, you're opening the door, somebody's come, and you don't have to be uncomfortable. Those things, those are these everyday things and everyday people face. So for me, talking about it, and if I'm actually giving a solution and helping anybody out, it gives me more, motivation to do what I'm doing.
But what do you feel, being such an important topic, अभी भी लोग बात करने से कतराते हैं, इंडिया में स्पेशली?
100% कतराते हैं. Like, people are very conscious, but I think people like us, and with kids these days, it's changing. Like I earlier said, that it has to be within the men. Kids are also changing, mothers are also talking about it, but there is a taboo because I feel that innerwear ho gaya and body shaming hogi. A lot of things are a part of this. And when you from the front start talking now, then the other person might just be intimidated for a second, but then that person replies. So for us, the whole idea is to talk more and more in groups, so that the conversation becomes more comfortable. So yeah, it definitely is a taboo, and we are doing and we want to do as much as we can. Even the kind of content that we create, the kind of videos, ads, we don't create commercial ads. We talk in a way that are regular, day-to-day authentic moments that are captured in videos and trying to sell an emotion. So we believe that when you're doing marketing with Deechika, anytime we create a content or anytime we create a script, we make sure that the script is not selling a product. It is not giving a solution. It is only talking about the emotions. Because unless you don't understand the emotional effect behind what you're trying to provide, you cannot create a connect with the person.
Very true.
So for us, it is because अगर आपको emotionally समझ में आ गया कि आप emotionally कैसे जुड़ रहे हो, या emotionally आपको कौन सा trigger point आप उसको connect कर रहे हो, hit कर रहे हो, उसके बाद the puzzle falls in the place. So you don't have to worry about the rest. So that's how Deechika has also been able to create the community. We don't look at, expensive influencers. We are not looking at, something very commercial. We actually get the maximum content, in fact, is made by us ourselves. Vani and I make content because we clearly we've clearly communicated and do it ourselves that every product that is being sold under Deechika is tried and tested by us. So it's not that something, and the whole thing of validation that, coming back to the same thing, that men making product for women is an irony to it, that we are making the product for you, we are trying it, we're using it, and then offering it for you.
Right.
Yeah.
So at Sehasab, we also started an initiative which is Baat To Karni Padegi, where we go to colleges, corporate schools, where we talk about menstruation, puberty, women wellness, or other topics which people don't want to talk about. So, आपको क्या लगता है कि अगर ऐसे conversations बड़े brands और creators के through हो, तो कितना powerful impact हो सकता है इसका?
I think बहुत powerful हो सकता है. The more people talk about it, it is better. Because the change will only happen if you talk about it and it is acknowledged, and that's when the change happens. So I think I am more than happy. In fact, after this, we really want to discuss it with you, that I'm more than happy to do these kinds of events together. where Sehatab comes together with Deechika and we actually create a much bigger impact, because we as whatever we're building together, we want to create the impact. And if you have more people doing the same thing, I think the impact can be much bigger. So definitely, as people talk about topics that are taboo topics, the more you talk about it, the more we come out of it and make it normalize it.
Do you feel कि अभी भी women's अपनी body और health को second priority मानती हैं?
100%. मतलब this is such a bang on thing that you said, because I know so many women who quietly, unconsciously living a selfless life. And I don't know why. And I really want to know why, because ऐसा नहीं है. Because sometimes, जो मैं अगर ये बोल भी रही हूँ ना, तो वो कोई एक लड़की होगी जो कहती है कि ये आसान है इसके लिए बोलना. I'm sure everybody has their own challenges, but I really want to know and I want to address it. And I think with Sehatab, what you're doing as in terms of mental health, like to address the fact that there are so many women who are living a selfless life, कि उनको कुछ करना है. And how I get to know is small incidents, where a lot of people DM me, wow, Richa, the kind of life you have, you're partying, you're working, you're, having a family and you're doing everything. How are you doing all this? Because I'm choosing myself. अगर मैं अपने आप को ही नहीं चूज करूंगी ना, तो मेरे लिए कोई choices नहीं make करेगा.
And I think you told me about that incident, where you were playing pickleball and some couple.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, and this keeps happening with me. So the other day I was just playing pickleball and Sham ko, and so there was this auntie uncle from our society, and so auntie said कि तू थकी नहीं है अपने बच्चों के पीछे भाग के और काम कर करके, जो यहाँ पे अब आके खेल रही है. So without a second thought, it came to my mind and I said कि ये थकना मेरे लिए है. I'm getting tired for myself, not for anybody else.
Getting recharged.
Yes, चाहे मुझे थकना ही है, पर वो मुझे मजे आ रहे हैं वो करने में. That is not a responsibility. Correct. That is a choice. So 100%, I think, to all the women who's listening to this and who are reading about it, and even in any way, if you're living, and what the saddest part is that women don't even know that they're living a selfless life. They don't even know it. There's nobody to acknowledge it only. So I be more than happy to tell women, you are living a selfless life. Start loving yourself and start doing things that you want to do. Like go out. And मेरे साथ भी बहुत बार होता है. People tell me, Richa, go on a road trip. मैं जाने को वो मैं choice ले रही हूँ, but वो मेरी choice होनी चाहिए. Like whatever you want to do, even if you want to be with your family and do it for yourself. Don't do it as a responsibility. There are certain responsibilities that everybody needs to take. But if you're doing 10 things in a day, let 8 things be responsibility, and start doing 2 things for yourself.
Right. Entrepreneurship and womanhood, दोनों ही full time job है, I believe, right? And आप दोनों बहुत अच्छे से कर रही हैं. So let's say अगर कोई अभी हमें female audience हमें सुन रही है, they want to start their business. So आपकी क्या advice होगी?
I think I've always had this one motto that I swear by, and I always share it with everybody, is condition your mind in, being comfortable and being uncomfortable. So I think in a lot of podcasts and a lot of places I've said that, and I always swear by this, that it's very hard, but I think the day you start being comfortable and being in an uncomfortable situation is where you can actually do much more than you think you can. So I think और हर कुछ भी करने के लिए ना uncomfortable होना पड़ता है. Like you have to be uncomfortable, and without being uncomfortable you can't do anything. So I think start being comfortable with that being uncomfortable, and I think things can be slightly more easier and achievable.
Acha, if you have given a chance, if you had given a chance, so what is that one small thing that you would like to change that can impact every girl?
I think change that I feel that every girl in the country or everywhere is that for her, innerwear should not be something uncomfortable and complicated. It should be easy and it should be comfortable. Like uh, the concept of you know sanitary pad or a concept of a bra should not be something very disturbing or very uncomfortable. It should be so. Innerwear for a woman should be comfortable and easy. They should. I think for me, I really believe that मुझे आज तक अपना bra size calculate in the business. I am in the business. I don't know how to calculate a bra size. मैंने कहा क्यों करनी इतनी mathematics यार? Like for us, we tell them that what size you should pick. I said whatever size you're wearing for your t-shirt. Why does your cup size and your this and your that? क्यों mathematics करनी है यार? It should be easy. It should be comfortable. मतलब वो hooks
और
है
इसका आई थिंक कोई प्लेबुक भी नहीं है ये चीजें समझने के लिए.
हाँ मतलब क्यों कॉम्प्लिकेट किया हुआ है unnecessary. Okay, maybe if you want certain things कि कुछ type की आपको चाहिए, sometimes you want certain kind of innerwear for certain type of outfits और कुछ चाहिए होता है, but ठीक है, but every day you don't need to get into that complication यार. मतलब there are 10,000 things to figure out in a day. Like innerwear should not be one of them. So I think the whole vision of Deechika, that one small change that we want to make is they just the first thing that they want for their innerwear essentials, they can go to Deechika and make sure that their innerwear is comfortable and not complicated.
All right, so thank you once again being with us on this show, and I am sure बहुत मजा आया आपके साथ बात करके. It was really an interesting conversation, and tried कि लोगों को along with Deechika लोगों को पता चले who is Richa from inside as an entrepreneur, as a mother, as a housewife, and as a woman. So that was very important for me. So और काफी सारी insights आपने share करी, काफी सारे आपकी journey, आपका dedication, आपका passion. So you shared a lot of things, and I'm sure अगर आज audience हमें सुनेगी females and especially males, I wish कि males भी आज की हमारी conversations सुने और I'm sure they'll get inspired by your journey. कैसे आप कहाँ से निकल के किन challenges को face करते आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे. And I'll wish you all the best and Deechika that you achieve more heights in life. And once again, thank you so much for being with us on this show. And मिलते हैं फिर जल्दी से.
Sure. Thank you so much. And I'm very, very happy to, sit with you and understand the concept that you're building. And I think it really makes sense with what Deechika is doing. And I really look forward that we come together and actually create something together. And now this is the first time I've really understood what you're doing. And I think what you're doing is amazing with Sehat Up. And working towards mental health, female hygiene, sexual health in every way. I think it's amazing that you're doing, and we both are actually working towards something so unconventional, so such a taboo topics that we're working on. And like we were discussing, that taboo topics is not easy, creating business around it, but yet we are into something difficult. So I think it's amazing to know your journey and share mine with you.
Thank you so much and all the best to you.
Thank you.
ये थी हमारी आज की कॉन्वर्सेशन जो सिर्फ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में ही नहीं बल्कि उन रियल स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में है जो हर फाउंडर फेस करता है. फ्रॉम बिल्डिंग अ ब्रांड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच टू मैनेजिंग किड्स, फैमिली एंड बिजनेस टू ब्रेकिंग टैबूज अराउंड प्यूबर्टी, मेंस्ट्रुएशन एंड बॉडी कॉन्फिडेंस. Richa's journey is a reminder that purpose-led businesses always come from a very personal space. This was the very first episode of our entrepreneur series और हम promise करते हैं आगे भी ऐसे ही real, honest और actionable conversation लाते रहेंगे. अगर आपको ये podcast valuable लगा हो तो like, share, comment जरूर करें. और हाँ, सेहत अप की वेबसाइट पे जाकर अपना हेल्थ स्कोर 360 चेक करना मत भूलना. आपके माइंड, बॉडी और लाइफस्टाइल का एक सिंपल साइंस बैक्ड असेसमेंट जो आपको अपनी वेलबींग बेटर समझने में मदद करेगा। सो दिस इज अमित सिंह संधू साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम सेहत अब टॉक्स। मिलते हैं अपने अगले एपिसोड में। Until then, stay healthy and stay aware.